Keeping rice paper spring rolls moist. I've made some fresh spring rolls by filling rice paper sheets with vegetables, cheese and peanuts, without any cooking. I've kept the uneaten ones in the fridge for a night in a sealed box. The rice paper has lost its flexibility and moisture. Is there a recommended way to store fresh spring rolls in a fridge for a few days, without losing the moisture of the rice paper?
In its recipe for spring rolls, What's Cooking America, see link 1. Indicates. Spring rolls can be made a day ahead. Cover them with a damp paper towel, then wrap well in plastic wrap, and refrigerate. Refrigerating firms and toughens the wrappers and noodles inside the roll, in this recipe. Slightly, if they are a little dry, wipe them gently with a damp cloth. In the future, consider that you might not want to make the rolls until you are ready to eat them. Your filling ingredients will probably hold quite well on their own, and hydrating the wrappers to make the rolls is very fast and easy. I rub them down lightly with sesame oil before I wrap them in saran wrap. I then put them in a large square Tupperware container and cover them with a lightly dampened paper towel or tea towel and seal. I also prefer rolling them on a damp tea towel, as it tends to stick less and it's easier to peel apart, versus getting stuck to a nice smooth plate. I generally don't like to leave them uneaten for more than 48 hours maximum, depending what's in them, but preferably I prefer sticking to the 4 to 12 hour, up to no more than a 24-hour period of time before eating. I definitely like to chill them and let them set a little bit, rather than eating them as soon as I roll them. Should they get too dry, I just wash my hands well and massage them with a light stream of water over the sink and then towel them off and serve. I always cut them in half diagonally with a wet knife, to avoid ripping the wrappers.